Unified 911. Anong matutulong namin sa'yo?
Anya ti maitulong mi ken kapo.
Anong may tatabang ko sa
Unsay
imo?
akong ikatabang nimo?
Mini makadabang na misal ka, no?
Sa anumang wika o dialekto, may tulong na darating sa iyo.
Holy night, stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and never pining till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night divine. Holy night, stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and never pining till He appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, the weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angels' voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night. Oh, night
Ayan, magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Welcome po sa ating PKG Online Awitan. Makakasama niyo po kami, kami po mga PKG artist ngayong umaga sa loob ng 1 oras. Dito lamang po yan sa Police News Network. 11 a.m. po hanggang 12:30 po kami ngayong umaga po. So, sana po i-share po natin ito para mas marami pa po ang mas makapanood at makaranas ng mga, makapakinig ng mga magagandang awitin ngayong umaga. So ilang araw na lamang po ay magpapasko na. So binabati ko po ang ating 51,000 viewers. So kaya pa po nating pataasin ito. Alam ko pong kayang-kaya pa po natin ito. So yan, so hahandugan po namin kayo ng mga pamaskong kanta ngayong umaga at ilang mga masasayang awitin po para po sa ating lahat ngayon, sa mga ating mga manonood. Ayan, sa mga bumabiyahe po ngayon, ingat po tayo. Sa mga nasa trabaho po, malapit na po ang lunch break natin. Maganda po itong sabayan ng mga pakikinig ng mga magagandang awitin. Ayan, si Sir Semper Fidel, sir, the best. Ayan, magandang umaga po sa inyo kay Bamboo Pilar, sir. Magandang umaga rin po sa inyo, sir. Ayan, so next song po tayo.
Just a small town girl living in a lonely world. She took the midnight train going anywhere. Just a city boy, born and raised in South Detroit. She took the midnight train going anywhere. A singer in a smoky room, a smell of wine and cheap perfume. For a smile they can share tonight. It goes on and on and on and on. And strangers waiting up and down the boulevard as shadows
0, 9, 6.
searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Working hard to get my feel. Everybody wants a thrill, paying everything to roll the dice just one more time. Some will win, some will lose. Some are born to sing the blues. On the movies they never end. It goes on and on and on and on. And strangers waiting up and down the boulevard as shadows searching in the night. Street lights, people living just to find emotion, hiding somewhere in the night. Hey. Don't stop believing.
Ayan, so that was Don't Stop Believing by the band Journey. And kung meron po kayong mga requested songs, ma'ams and sirs, pwede nyo pong i-comment dito po. Susubukan po namin kantahin as long as alam na alam po namin yung kanta. Ayan, so hindi ko alam sir eh. Tapos, ayan, shoutout po sa Ginobatan MPS. Ayan, nanonood po sila ma'ams and sirs dyan sa Ginobatan MPS. Ayan. Shoutout po sa inyo mga ma'ams and sirs. Ingat po tayo palagi, lalong-lalo na po itong holiday season. So, kapag holiday po, ang ating mga kapulisan ay mas busy po yan. So, ingat po tayo sa mga kabaro po namin, kasama po namin sa uniform service, sa ating AFP, PNP, Bureau of Fire, lahat po yan naka-alert tuwing holiday season. So, para po sa inyo yan. So, shoutout po sa lahat. Mag-ingat po tayo, lalo-lalo na po hanggang sa darating na New Year. Mag-ingat po tayo sa paggamit ng paputok. Alam ko sa ibang mga lugar, pinagbabawal na po yan. So sana sa buong Pilipinas ipagbawal na rin yon para maiwasan yung 10 mga daliri magkulang ng 1 or 2. Ayan, di ba? Shoutout po kay Ive GSD. Pa-shoutout po sir kay Gisado ito. Si Patrolman Gisado. Hello sir. Magandang umaga po sa iyo. And kung meron po kayong mga requested song na kaya po namin kantahin, kakantahin po namin yan para sa inyo. So, next song po tayo.
Unified 911, anong matutulong namin sa'yo?
Anya ti maitulong mi ken ka.
Anong may tatabang ko sa imo?
Unsay akong ikatabang nimo?
Ngini makadabang na misel ka no.
Sa anumang wika o dialekto, may tulong na darating sa iyo.
I have often dreamed of a far-off place where a hero's welcome will be waiting for me, where the crowds will cheer when they see my face, and the voice keeps saying, this is where I'm meant to be. I'll be there someday. I could go the distance. I will find my way. If I can be strong, I know every mile will be worth my while. When I go the distance, I'll be right where I belong. Down an unknown road to embrace my faith. Though the road may wander, it will lead me to you. In 1,000 years would be worth the wait. It might take a lifetime, but somehow I'll see you through. And I won't look back. I could go the distance, and I'll stay on track. No, I won't accept defeat. It's an uphill slope, but I won't lose hope till I go the distance, and my journey is complete. But to look beyond the glory is the hardest part. For a its arms till I find my hero's welcome wait till it your arms. Yan, that was Go the Distance by Michael Bolton. So napakaganda po ng awit na yan. Classic song po yan pero napakaganda. Pagbati po kay Sir Knock Knock, bassist ng Rizal PPO. Kay Sir John De La Cruz. Ayan. So nandito si Sir Knock Knock. Yat po. Yat po siya. So ayan. Watching from QC kay Angel Teng. At sa aking may bahay, sa aking mahal na asawa, nanonood po siya ngayon. Ayan, habang nasa work po siya, pinanonood po niya ang online awitan. Very supportive po yan. Hi, mahal, Eliza Frio Wildman. So, tinatawagan na po natin yung ating next na kakanta dito. Ang ating susunod na Pika G artist na magpapamalas ng kanyang napakagandang boses at talento. Ayun. Si Jade Mariel Kilang.
Hello? Hello? Hello?
Kantahan at kwentuhan, mapagudod sa daan, hatid ng kapulisan,